To start your coaching business, you first need to define your niche and target audience. This step is crucial as it helps you identify your unique area of coaching expertise. Next, develop your unique coaching methodology. This is what will set you apart from others in the coaching space. It's time to create a business plan that outlines your services, pricing, and marketing strategies. Establish your online presence with a professional website and active social media profiles to attract clients. Don't forget to set up the legal structure of your business and obtain any necessary certifications to operate legally. Plan and create valuable content to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. Effectively implement a marketing strategy that includes networking, referrals, and online advertising. Set up a client management system to track progress and maintain ongoing communication with your clients. Start by offering free introductory sessions to build trust and gather valuable testimonials from your clients. Finally, continuously seek feedback and adapt your services to improve client satisfaction over time.